When God asks you a question, he already knows the answer. God does not want information from you. Remember, it's all-knowing. God asks you a question so that you will discover and determine your own knowledge about the situation. Can these bones live? Can a hopeless situation be repaired? Can a hopeless situation come back alive? Can a situation that is so scattered, the bones were scattered and dry, can these bones be put together? In prophecy, we are declaring what should be, what ought to be. And that is what Ezekiel was asked to do. Speak directly to the situation. As seated in the, oh my God, what a sin. God took him to a place that is dry and didn't allow him to stand, but to sit with those bones all around him. And God said to him, prophesy to these bones. Is that when we prophesy, we are triggering a spiritual process. Things don't shake around you, know that you are dead. Your blessing is tied to the economy of the nation you live. Your economy is tied to the environment that you live. You must be blessed, but the economy must also be blessed. So you must speak to the wind. You must speak to the atmosphere.